The Amphenol Communications Solutions iX Industrial IP20 Connectors enable IoT connectivity for Ethernet and other industrial protocols through all levels of an operation, from enterprise and cloud to sensors and actuators at the factory floor. These 10mm pitch connectors, featuring 2-point metal latches, are just 25% of the size of an RJ45 connector, and as such allow much greater port density and mating security. They are PoE capable, provide data performance to Cat 6a level, and feature 360-degree shielding through the mated pair for superior EMI protection. The IEC 61076 compliance ensures these connectors are intermateable with other vendor products. Heavy-duty shield solder hold-down tabs on PCB mount receptacles provide secure connection to the PCB, protecting surface mount joint integrity under mechanical stresses. The iX Industrial connectors are rated for 5,000 mating cycles and feature field terminable IDC plugs with solder options for ease of custom cabling or repair in the field.